Hi, I'm Dr. Murphy, a double board certified facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon. We've come a long way to treat and counteract the various processes of aging. At my office, we are consistently seeking the best and most current treatments available to get you your desired result. We offer a vast array of procedures, from simple ones such as Botox to more complex ones such as rhinoplasties and facelifts. If you have any questions about the services we provide, please don't hesitate to contact either myself or one of my staff members.
I have a lot of confidence in Dr. Murphy. Well, first of all, I had some Botox, and because I was getting wrinkles on the forehead. And then we did some lip injections, and he did a total facelift and also my neck. You feel much younger, you have more confidence in yourself, and you just look, in the mornings you wake up and you go, oh, I'm looking good today because of Dr. Murphy's very skilled techniques. The office is very modern, and you come in the office and you're in there by yourself. You see no one when you walk in the office, so it's very private. And they take you into the exam room, and one of the nurses are there with you, and you're just very comfortable. And then Dr. Murphy comes in, and he has that great smile, and you're in good hands. Well, I am 63 years old, so now look at me. I think they did a great job.
If you've witnessed the arrival of spring after a long winter, or the effect of rainfall on parched earth, you understand the awesome transformative power of nature.
Well, thanks to the magic of Radius, that power can work similar wonders on the way you look and the way you feel about yourself.
Radius is the treatment that helps you become a magic ingredient, working in harmony with your own body to stimulate collagen growth
And transform the way you look in a way that is so natural, it will fill you with wonder.
The first time I met Dr. Murphy was actually in the ENT office when I had a really more serious procedure done. I had a cyst in my neck, a brachial cleft cyst. And another doctor he partnered with was going to remove the cyst, and he was going to be the plastic surgeon to close it. So I did not have a really, ugly scar on my neck. After that, learning about Dr. Murphy doing other procedures, I inquired and went from there. I chose Botox. Dr. Murphy gives me Botox in my forehead and all around my eyes, but I was starting to have something I call the stack of pancakes, where I have just a stack of line after line after line of pancakes on my forehead. And I love that I have plenty of facial expression, but I did not like that the lines were beginning to stay. The pain was minimal. It was, I do it again and again and again. There's really no recovery. I walk out the door and I'm on my way. And upon leaving and the days after following, I love the result. As I look in the mirror and notice that those lines slowly diminish, no more pancakes, love it. I start to feel like, hey, obviously we're all aging, but I look like I remember. I look like me again.
Sculptra aesthetic is not an overnight sensation, not a quick fix. It's the new age of anti-age. It's the only facial injectable that works gradually and gives you results that can last up to 2 years. The main ingredient in FDA-approved Sculptra aesthetic is poly-L-lactic acid, or PLLA. PLLA has been safely used for decades in dissolvable stitches. In Europe, it's been used cosmetically for over 10 years. PLLA is a synthetic material that is gradually and naturally absorbed by the body as it works to replace lost collagen. Talk to your doctor about Sculptra aesthetic. He or she will give you a facial assessment to determine if it may be right for you.
I did the Sculptra over 2 years ago. My face is very thin, and we increased the volume in my temples, and a little bit in my cheekbones, but mainly the temples and the cheekbones up here. Going into the procedure, I was a little bit nervous. I was afraid it was going to be painful, and I was a little bit afraid of the final results, thinking, what am I doing? And the final result was very, very gradual. I went out immediately with my friends for dinner that night, and you couldn't tell. It was so natural, and it was gentle. I would do it again because of the youthful appearance I feel I have. I feel my face is fuller. It's lifted my face up. I feel more confident. I would say definitely do it. It's gradual, it's natural, it's safe. I think it's cost effective because it does last for so long. I think I can get years more out of the Sculptra.
Eat right and exercise. The core of what we do is to make people feel better, be it from a cosmetic procedure to ward off the signs of aging or reconstructing facial wounds brought on by the ravages of cancer. If you feel good inside, you want to look good on the outside. Inner and outer beauty are intimately related.
My surgery did have a dual purpose. I did have a very severe deviated septum, and I was having a lot of difficulty breathing and a lot of sinus infections, and that was what started me out looking for a plastic surgeon. But I never liked my nose, and I had a very big bump, and I decided that this was going to be the time to correct both of the problems, and Dr. Murphy was the person to do that because he was an ENT and a plastic surgeon. He looks at each case individually, and he doesn't make everybody's nose look the same. I think he goes with your lifestyle and who you are and your age, and he's very patient, and I think he's great at what he does, and just very talented. I wanted my nose to be natural, and I don't think many people even really noticed that I had it done. They would just tell me my eyes looked pretty, or my face looked different, or I looked great, and that was exactly what I wanted. To this day, I look in the mirror and I look at the side view of my nose, and I used to put my finger over the bump and look in the mirror and wish that it looked like it looks today. And I feel great when my head is turned. I know my profile looks great, where before I would turn my head, I didn't want anybody to see my profile. So it's given me a lot of self-confidence. And in addition to that, I can breathe better. So it's been a wonderful experience.
Both men and women of all ages face the aging process. Modern technology enables us multiple approaches to deal with these issues. We can help you regain your youthful, vital appearance. If you're interested in our cosmetic services, we offer a wide variety of surgical, non-surgical, and skincare options to suit your lifestyle.